Our conversations always end up in a nosedive. Can't see it ending any differently this time around, round, round.
What's up, everybody? Welcome to another honest comparison video. Today we are gonna talk about four different smartphones. We have this Vivo X200 Pro, Xiaomi 15 Pro, Realme GT 7 Pro, and this OnePlus 13. Well, let me be very clear over here. I don't use any of these four smartphones as my primary drive because I use a Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. I've been using this one from the very first day when it got released, and I've dropped it like number of times. Yeah, there are a lot of dents, but the phone is working perfectly fine. I'm into foldables and I like this form factor. I know a lot of people they don't like this form factor, but I like this size, I like the design, and yeah, I'm in love with this Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. But wait, I need to mention that OnePlus 13 is my secondary drive. I carry it around with me because of a few things. The first reason behind this is availability of accessories. OnePlus always offers a lot of premium accessories like this protective case. It costs around 28 US dollars. This protective case not only protects the phone, it also makes the phone look a bit better than what it is. And you know what? This protective case is actually compatible with all the MagSafe accessories. Well, I'm not gonna use any MagSafe accessories as OnePlus have released their own AirVook magnetic charger. And okay, as usual, before we start the video, one request. If you end up liking this video, then please don't forget to click the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content. All the phones come with a TPU silicon protective case, a charger, a USB cable, and a SIM ejector tool. Realme GT 7 Pro comes with a 120-watt SuperVOOC charger. OnePlus 13 comes with a 100-watt SuperVOOC charger. Xiaomi 15 Pro comes with a 90-watt hypercharge charger. Vivo X200 Pro comes with a 90-watt flash charger. Thea has been a huge help in putting this video together, testing the phones, playing games, taking photos, and recording part of the video. Big thanks to Thea. Personally, I'm not focused on Antutu benchmark scores, but here is how these four phones rank. Realme GT 7 Pro leads with 2,906,000, followed by OnePlus 13 at 2,790,000. Vivo X200 Pro scores 2,751,000 and Xiaomi 15 Pro rounds it out at 2,688,000. Even though there is a notable difference in scores, Antutu alone doesn't tell the full story. We will need to check 3DMark, the gamer's benchmark, and real-life gaming performance to get a clearer picture. I prefer 3DMark, the solar-based stress test, which better reflects a real-world performance and provides valuable insights. Let's check the scores. Xiaomi 15 Pro achieved the highest loop score of 11,732, closely followed by the OnePlus 13 at 11,682. Vivo X200 Pro comes next with the highest loop score of 11,617, and Realme GT 7 Pro rounds it out with 11,312. Although the differences in highest loop scores aren't substantial, OnePlus 13 takes the lead in stability at 73.3%, just above Xiaomi's 72.2%. Realme GT 7 Pro has a stability rate of 68.2%, but Vivo X200 Pro actually lags at 63.2%, which impacts its sustained gaming performance. When comparing the lowest loop scores, OnePlus 13 and Xiaomi 15 Pro maintain better consistency, while Vivo shows a more significant performance drop over time. Xiaomi 15 Pro leads with its 6.73-inch 2K M9 LTPO AMOLED display, showcasing 68 billion colors and a sharp 522 pixel per inch density, reaching a peak brightness of 3200 nits along with Dolby Vision, HDR10+, and 1920 Hz PWM dimming. It ensures outstanding clarity and vibrant colors in all different type of lighting conditions. Protected by Xiaomi's own second generation Longjing shatterproof glass, Xiaomi's display combines durability with immersive visuals. OnePlus 13 follows with a 6.82-inch 2K 80 LTPO AMOLED display, delivering a strong peak brightness of 4500 nits and a detailed 510 pixel per inch density. It supports Dolby Vision and HDR10 Plus with a 120Hz refresh rate for fluid interactions. Well, all of the four smartphones actually supports 120Hz refresh rate. Anyway, OnePlus 13 is protected by Crystal Shield Super Ceramic Glass, balancing vivid visuals with durability. Realme GT 7 Pro delivers a strong display experience with its 6.78-inch 1.5K Eco Samsung S2 OLED Plus panel. It reaches 6000 nits in brightness and performs well in bright conditions, though its 450 pixel per inch resolution doesn't fully match the sharpness of Xiaomi or OnePlus. Finally, Vivo X200 Pro has a 6.78-inch 1.5K 80 LTPO AMOLED micro-quad curved display, delivering vibrant visuals with 1 billion colors, 452 pixel per inch density, and a peak brightness of 4500 nits. Equipped with 2160Hz PWM, Dolby Vision, and HDR10 Plus, it performs well but doesn't feel as comforting, vibrant, or color accurate side by side with Xiaomi or OnePlus. In terms of overall gaming performance, OnePlus takes the lead, with Xiaomi close behind. Both phones handle long gaming sessions effectively, showing minimal thermal throttling to sustain consistent performance. Realme ranks third, delivering solid gameplay but generating more heat over time. Vivo finishes fourth, offering smooth initial performance but facing more significant throttling after prolonged use. For frame rates, okay, OnePlus and Xiaomi provide fluid gameplay with high FPS, while Vivo and Realme maintain slightly lower frame rates to manage heat. This difference is barely noticeable in shorter gaming sessions, but becomes evident during extended hours of graphics-intensive play, where it impacts both fluidity and stability. All four phones, packed with flagship hardware, deliver an improved gaming experience over previous generations. For casual users, these differences may be subtle, but hardcore gamers will appreciate OnePlus 13 for its stable, long-term performance. Realme GT 7 Pro is a strong budget-friendly option with some thermal limits in intense sessions.
We don't need to talk about it.
Vivo X200 Pro features a 50 megapixel Sony Lightyear 818 main sensor with an f1.6 aperture and OIS. There's a powerful 200 megapixel Samsung HP9 periscope lens with 3.7 times optical zoom, a 50 megapixel S5K JN1 ultra-wide sensor, and a 32 megapixel Samsung KD1 selfie camera. Xiaomi 15 Pro features a 50 megapixel Light Fusion 900 main sensor with f1.4 aperture and OIS, and yeah, it also has a 50 megapixel Sony IMX858 telephoto lens with 5 times optical zoom, a 50 megapixel Samsung S5K JN1 ultra-wide sensor, and a 32 megapixel OmniVision OV32B selfie camera. OnePlus 13 includes a 50 megapixel Sony Lightyear 808 main sensor with OIS, a 50 megapixel ultra-wide sensor, a 50 megapixel Sony Lightyear 600 telephoto lens with 3 times optical zoom, and a 32 megapixel Sony IMX615 selfie camera. Realme GT 7 Pro comes with a 50 megapixel Sony IMX906 main sensor with OIS, a 50 megapixel Sony IMX882 telephoto sensor with 3 times optical zoom, an 8 megapixel ultra-wide sensor, and a 16 megapixel selfie camera. Here are some photos of Thea that I took in our home and studio. You will notice the watermark, so it's easy to tell which photo is from which device. Enjoy the photos, videos, and my favorite background music. I have also published many other camera comparison videos, so feel free to check those out for more in-depth details on camera performance. Personally, I would say Vivo X200 Pro and Xiaomi 15 Pro both deliver top-tier camera quality, with the OnePlus 13 close behind. Realme GT 7 Pro trails slightly in comparison.
Can't see it ending any differently this time around.
Even though that it wasn't you, but I know that it's wonderful, incredible, baby, irrational. I never knew he was obsessional, and I never knew he was with you. Baby, he feels wonderful, incredible, baby, irrational. I never knew he was so sad, just so sad. I'm so sorry. He went totally wasn't you, but I know that it's wonderful, incredible, baby, irrational. I never knew he was obsessional, and I never knew he was with you. Baby, he feels wonderful, incredible, baby, irrational. I never knew he was so sad, just so sad. He went totally wasn't you, but I know that it's wonderful, incredible, baby, irrational. I never knew he was obsessional, and I never knew he was with you. Baby, he feels wonderful, incredible, baby, irrational. I never knew he was so sad, just so sad. I'm so sorry. He went totally wasn't you, but I know that it's wonderful, incredible, baby, irrational. I never knew he was obsessional, and I never knew he was with you. Baby, he feels wonderful, incredible, baby, irrational. I never knew he was so sad, just so sad. I'm so sorry.
Realme GT 7 Pro leads with the longest screen-on time at 9 hours and 30 minutes. Powered by a massive 6500 mAh battery and one of the fastest wire charging that reaches full capacity in just 45 minutes. This setup makes it ideal for power users who need extended battery life throughout the day. OnePlus 13 and Vivo X200 Pro both provide 8 hours and 50 minutes of screen-on time. OnePlus 13 features a 6000 mAh battery with 100-watt wired and 50-watt wireless charging, achieving a full charge in only 36 minutes, along with 10-watt reverse wireless charging. Vivo X200 Pro, also with a 6000 mAh battery, supports 90-watt wired and 30-watt wireless charging, taking around 37 to 38 minutes to fully charge. Xiaomi 15 Pro follows closely with 8 hours and 40 minutes of screen-on time. Its 6100 mAh battery supports 90-watt wired and 50-watt wireless charging, reaching a full charge in approximately 38 minutes, along with 10-watt reverse wireless charging for added convenience. In terms of screen-on time, yeah, definitely Realme GT 7 Pro is way ahead of others. But when we take charging speed into consideration along with reverse wireless charging, yeah, OnePlus 13 is the winner of this segment. Okay, all these smartphones feature a stereo speaker setup, and apart from the Realme GT 7 Pro, all three include Dolby Atmos. Xiaomi 15 Pro also includes high-res audio and high-res audio wireless certification, enhancing clarity and detail. Vivo X200 Pro leads with impressively deep bass and rich mids for a truly immersive audio experience. Xiaomi 15 Pro follows with rich and warm mids, but slightly less bass than Vivo. OnePlus 13 provides high volume but lacks depth. Realme GT 7 Pro delivers solid sound quality above mid-range devices, but falls short of flagship standards.
Yeah, she might be pretty, but I promise it gets scary. When she wants your daddy and she finds out where you live. Creeping in the shadows, eating poisoned apples. She's nothing like you ever seen. Her mood goes up and down. Yeah, she might be pretty, but I promise it gets scary. When she wants your daddy and she finds out where you live. Creeping in the shadows, eating poisoned apples. She's nothing like you ever seen. Her mood goes up and down. Yeah, she might be pretty, but I promise it gets scary. When she wants your daddy and she finds out where you live. Creeping in the shadows, eating poisoned apples. She's nothing like you ever seen. Her mood goes up. Yeah, she might be pretty, but I promise it gets scary. When she wants your daddy and she finds out where you live. Creeping in the shadows, eating poisoned apples. She's nothing like you ever seen. Her mood goes up and down.
Okay, I'll skip a detailed discussion on UI and Android skin since so much comes down to personal preference. All four smartphones run on Android 15 with some variations. OnePlus offers ColorOS or Oxygen OS depending on the region, while Realme uses Realme UI. Interestingly, ColorOS, Oxygen OS, and Realme UI are essentially the same, just under different names. Xiaomi comes with HyperOS 2, and Vivo runs my personal favorite, Origin OS. All four phones are equipped with ultrasonic fingerprint sensors and 2D face unlocking, both working smoothly without noticeable lag or issues. Personally, I prefer OnePlus as it unlocks the phone slightly faster than the other three. Well, that's all about this Vivo X200 Pro, Realme GT 7 Pro, Xiaomi 15 Pro, and OnePlus 13. What do you think about these four smartphones? Please don't forget to share your thoughts and ideas in the comments section. If you have enjoyed this video, then please don't forget to click the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content.
There's nothing left for us to say. So many thoughts around.